morning, roamers. We are in Arizona and we are headed down to Yuma to pick up a Cruise America rental so that we can go to Quartzsite and hang out with everyone and not miss it this year since, you know, Rosie's totaled. We're looking for the new one, but in the meantime, we didn't want to miss out on this. Everything that we have to camp with is in this Honda CR-V right now. So this is going to be real camping for Roaming with Rosie. Yesterday we figured out that the refrigerator freezer has temperature control, turning it way up all the way to 4. Waking up this morning and discovering that everything in the refrigerator is frozen. This is a learning curve. So we're having a very windy Quartzsite day in a rig that doesn't have stabilizer jacks. So we're rocking and rolling like a boat. And of course we can only run the microwave if we turn the generator on. Today our friend has offered to loan us his propane generator that works with a remote control. So we're not paying stupid $3.50 an hour to use the generator.
What's that?
I hear a generator. Thank you.
Is that louder than yours?
No.
Oh,
It is very quiet.
I was hoping it did good for you.
We are at the big RV show, and the first thing we came to do today was to look at RVs, looking for a gasser.
We want to have gas.
This is only 2 years old. This material, it's just so thin. It's a nice look.
Right there.
Oh my goodness, look at that. 2016 Allegro 34 TGA. Upholstery shot. 16 Allegro. God forbid you actually use the furniture.